Like I said, I think we as the diaspora have the obligation of giving a correct picture of Europe. Not just Europe, I think we have to give a correct picture of the entire world outside Somalia. And I think that today, with today's social media and the pictures that are floating online, people think that we are so lucky that we don't have any problems here. When in fact, I think sometimes we have more problems than the people back home. And a lot of our issues might not show on the outside, but I think we struggle with identity crisis. We struggle with not believing in ourselves, that we feel that we belong somewhere else. And I think I could just speak from my experience. Whenever I'm back in Somalia, I feel like this is where I belong. Even though I'm very Swedish, I still feel like I look like everyone else. I have the same religion. I wear the headscarf like any other woman there. And I don't get the random questions I get here in Sweden or in Norway. So I think the diaspora, first of all, have to give a correct picture. And second of all, I think the diaspora should help people back home in creating jobs, in going back to Africa, giving the local people opportunities to take upon jobs, to do these kind of workshops that we're doing today, to show the true picture. So I think creating jobs, being more transparent and honest about the true picture of what Europe stands for, and also empowering people to believe in their country.